Hey y'all, Southern Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the description, we are giving a little update here of some more items that have been added to the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. So if you did not see the video before, I will link it up above here for you to see the items that are already in the box. And I just want to share a few more that are going to be added, and who knows what else will end up being in there. So please make sure to subscribe and join our little YouTube family here, and then hop on over and enter in the giveaway. That link will be below as well. Sorry, this mama is super tired tonight and I cannot seem to get my words out. But without further ado, we are going to go ahead and just hop right on in to showing you some of the items that I have decided to add to the giveaway. So this is a magnet, and it says, if you ran like your mouth, you would be in good shape. I just thought it was super cute, so I decided to throw that in there. This is a notepad. It says things I do not need, and if you can see, it does match. So these two items will be included in the giveaway. And who could not use a little Bath & Body Works travel size lotion here to toss into your purse and keep your hands moisturized on the go? It is in the scent Moonlight Path, so that will be going in. Here we have some samples. This is by Peter Thomas Roth. It is Clinical Hair Care. I have the Mega Rich shampoo and Mega Rich conditioner. So these two items will also be in the giveaway. And I have also decided to add a few more pretty things. We have this Pure Ice nail polish in Rumors. It's a very pretty color. We have this OPI in Pinking of You. It's a very light but very pretty shade. We have another OPI, and it is Lucky Lucky Lavender. So very pretty. And then we have a little bit of a shimmer shade, and it is in the name Tutti Frutti Tonga. It is kind of a light pink, but like I said, it's a shimmery shade, so it is super pretty. And to go along with the nail art, or the nail polish, I have here a Sally Hansen nail art pen. It is pink. This will give you a way to, if you want to draw any little designs on your nails after you paint them, this will be in there as well. So those are just some items that I have decided to go ahead and add additionally to everything else that will be in the box. And like I said, no telling what else may end up in there. I will keep you guys updated. But again, remember, in order to qualify to win the giveaway, you have to subscribe to my channel and then click the link that will be below to get yourself over to the website to enter. So again, I hope you guys are loving everything that is in this box and you want to win. I hope you love my videos and subscribe. I don't really know what else to say, so we are just going to wrap this right on up. And like I said, everything will be down below. The contest does end September 30th, so we've got to get there by September 30th, which I definitely think we can do because we are getting there. And that is thanks to you guys, and I really appreciate it. So I hope everyone has a wonderful day, and I will talk to you guys soon with a new video.